Remember when your phone was brand new and lighting fast? What if I told you it doesn't have to turn into a laggy mess after 1 year? What's up, everyone? Today we are talking about something everyone experiences: phone slowing down over time. I'm going to show you 5 simple habits that keeps your phone running fast for years. Let's get into it. Before we get to the solutions, let's quickly understand why phones slow down. The main culprits: 1. Software gets heavier over time. 2. Storage fills up. As you accumulate photos, videos, apps, and files, your storage fills up. 3. Background processes pile up. Apps running in the background, cache data, temporary files, they all consume RAM and processing power even when you are not actively using them. 4. Battery degradation. As battery health drops, your phone intentionally slows down to preserve battery life and prevent unexpected shutdowns. 5. Hardware ages. Physical components naturally degrade. This is unavoidable, but you can slow it down significantly with proper habits. Now, you can't stop aging completely, but you can keep your phone running smoothly much longer than most people do. Here's how. 1. Update your software regularly. I know. Updates are annoying. They take time, but here's the truth. Software updates aren't just about new features. 2. Uninstall unused apps. The problem: every app on your phone, even if you never open it, takes up storage space, runs background processes, checking for updates, sensing data, sending notifications, uses RAM even when minimized, drains battery with background activity. The more apps you have, the harder your phone works just to keep everything running. 3. Clear storage regularly. Keep at least 20% storage free. Here's a rule most people don't know. When your storage is over 80% full, your phone's performance drops noticeably. Struggling to function, everything slows down. Apps, camera, typing, everything. What to delete? Screenshots. You have 200 plus screenshots you will never look at again. Delete them. Old downloads, PDFs, images, files you downloaded months ago. Clear your downloads folder. Duplicate photos. Google Photos has a free up space feature that removes photos already backed up to the cloud. Like videos. That 5-minute 4K video is 2 GB. Upload to cloud storage and delete from device. Cache data. Go to settings, storage, cache data, clear, frees up gigabytes instantly. App data. Some apps store massive amounts of data. Check settings, apps, storage to see which apps are hogging space. 4. Restart your phone weekly. When was the last time you actually turned off your phone? Not just put it to sleep. Fully powered down and restarted. If you are like most people, the answer is weeks or months ago. Why restarting matters? Think of restarting like sleep for humans. When you restart your phone, RAM is cleared. All those background processes eating memory, gone. Thought processes are closed. Apps that froze in the background, terminated. System resources are refreshed. Everything starts fresh. You notice apps open faster. Set a weekly reminder. Every Sunday night, restart your phone. Just hold the power button, restart or power off. Wait 30 seconds, power on. It takes 2 minutes and gives you a noticeably faster phone for the week ahead. 5. Avoid apps that drain resources. Some apps claim to make your phone faster, but actually do the opposite. Apps to avoid. Multiple antivirus apps. You don't need 3 antivirus apps. Android and iOS have built-in security. Adding multiple antivirus apps makes them compete for resources, slowing everything down. If you must use one, choose one quality app. Phone cleaner or booster apps. Ironically, these apps that promise to clean and boost your phone often run constantly in the background, using more resources than they save. Most are scams or ineffective. Your phone's built-in storage management is better. Battery saver apps. Again, your phone has built-in battery optimization. Third-party battery apps usually just run in the background, draining the battery they claim to save. Too many widgets. Widgets on your home screen, weather, news, calendar, constantly update in the background. Each one uses resources. Keep widgets 2 to 3 maximum. Live wallpaper. Animated wallpapers look cool, but constantly use your GPU and battery. Static wallpapers are faster and more efficient. The rule: skip to essential apps from trusted developers. Don't install apps that promise magical speed improvements. They are usually the problem, not the solution. Advanced tip: factory reset once a year. This one is more effort, but the results are incredible. What is factory reset? It wipes your phone completely clean and restores it to the state it was in when you first bought it. All your apps, settings, files, gone. Then you install only what you actually need. Your phone literally feels brand new again. How to do it safely? Step 1. Backup everything. Photos, videos. Backup to Google Photos or iCloud. Contacts. Sync to Google, iCloud account. Important files. Save to cloud storage. WhatsApp chats. WhatsApp backup feature. Step 2. Factory reset. Go to settings, system, reset options. Erase all data. Step 3. Restore. Sign back into your account or install only the apps you actually use. Do this once a year and it will be like getting a new phone for free. Let's be real about something. All phones slow down eventually. Hardware ages. Newer software demands more power. Components degrade. This is unavoidable. But, and this is important, most phones slow down much faster than they need to because of poor maintenance habits. The average person's phones becomes frustratingly slow after 12 to 18 months. With these 5 habits, you can keep your phone running smoothly for 3 to 4 plus years. These habits take minimal effort. Updates automatic. Delete apps 50 minutes monthly. Clear storage 20 minutes monthly. Restart 2 minutes weekly. Avoid bad apps, one-time decisions. Small habits, massive long-term impact. And there you have it. 5 habits to keep your phone fast for years. Which habit are you going to start today? Drop it in the comments and commit to it. Smash that like button and subscribe for more phone optimization tips. And remember, start these habits today. Thank yourself in 2 years when your phone is still running smooth while your friends are all complaining about lag. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.